Okay, this is who's most likely to questions for friends. Who's most likely to answer the phone if you call in the middle of the night?
Malabo si Dayan.
Who's most likely to treat your house like their house? Next, who's most likely to throw you a surprise party?
Ayan. Grabe sa nila nga, ganito lang. Yung sa akin, parang nag-dive.
Okay, next, who's most likely to handmade you a birthday present?
Ay, tama ba na ready?
Next, who's most likely to embarrass you in front of your crush?
Sabi ko sa inyo, madami yung kamay na ulo.
Next, who's most likely to make you laugh when you are sad?
Ay, tatlo yun! Ay, hindi, ikaw lang yun.
Next, who's most likely to bake you a birthday cake? Okay, next, who's most likely to back you up in an argument even if you are wrong? Next, who's most likely to be the life of the party?
Sandali! Yung tubig. Sa utak ko na.
Okay, next, who's most likely to forget to text back?
Makabawi man lang doon. Umanda ka na yan.
Next, who's most likely to text back immediately?
Hindi ako. Dayan. Basta hindi si Dayan.
Okay, next, who's most likely to forget to return a borrowed item?
Wala na talagang balikan. Who is likely to stay single forever?
Okay, next, who's most likely to forget their wallet in McDonald's?
Pati nga cellphone eh.
Next, who's most likely to talk in the movie theater during movie?
Alam nga niya eh. Hindi lang talk, scream.
Okay, who's most likely to go to Disneyland on every vacation?
Ayan na.
Who's most likely to become a billionaire?
Uy! Ako din. Yun lang ang nagustuhan ko. Pinablog-log niyo sa akin.
Okay, next.
Ako na magiging billionaire.
Who's most likely to impulse buy? Who's most likely to fake their birthday at a restaurant for free cake?
Ginawa ko na yan eh.
Who's most likely to randomly burst out into a song?
Ay, tulungan na. Bye-bye!